Welcome. Looking to install apps from outside the official Play Store using Chrome? Whether you want to sideload an APK or just need more flexibility, knowing how to allow Chrome to install unknown apps on your phone can be really useful. In this guide, we'll walk through each step to make the process straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First, grab your unlocked phone and head to the main settings menu. This is the gateway to all your device's customizations. If you're not sure where settings is, look for the gear-shaped icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or Applications. It might simply say Apps, depending on your device and Android version. Tap on it. This area manages all the apps installed on your device, including system apps and anything you've downloaded. Next, in the apps list, look for Chrome. The list may be alphabetical, so a quick scroll should lead you right to it. Tap on Chrome to open its App Info page. Here, you'll find everything related to Chrome's permissions and behaviors. Now, it's time to find the option for installing unknown apps. This feature is usually located in a section called Install Unknown Apps, which you can spot within Chrome's App Info menu. Tap on this option. If it's not immediately visible, try looking for an advanced option or check under Permissions. You'll see a setting labeled Allow from this source. By default, it's usually toggled off to protect your phone from potentially harmful apps. Go ahead and tap the switch to turn it on. This gives Chrome permission to install apps outside the Play Store. That's it. Chrome can now install unknown apps on your phone. Just remember to be careful about what you download. Only sideload apps from sources you trust to keep your device safe. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back.